Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's project is going to be similar to this one, but we got a little bit of differences. So this sign here says "In session, please do not disturb." It's got a nice rope that can hang from your door at your place of business. But I had a lady reach out. She's looking for something a little bit different. She wants it to say "Massage in session." So we're going to make essentially the same thing, but just with a little bit different engraving. So follow along. I'll show you the type of wood we use, engraving settings, and all sorts of finishing tips. Okay, so for today's project, we are going to use 3/4 inch maple plywood. Maple works really well for engraving. It leaves a nice even finish. And the 3/4 inch will make this heavy duty enough so that it doesn't warp over time. I have this board ripped at 8 inches wide already. So we're gonna go and use our table saw and we're gonna rip them at 6 inches the other direction. So our final size is 6 by 8. Got those cut. I actually ended up making 3 of them out of the piece that I had. I did end up using just a little bit of 220 grit sandpaper just to clean up the edges a little bit and smooth off the faces. Let's head down to the engraver and get these engraved. Okay, we have our signs engraved. Next thing we're going to do is drill our holes in the top corners for our rope to go through to hang these. Okay, we're going to drill our holes 3/4 of an inch from the top as well as from the side. I'm going to mark that on both sides. Okay, we have that marked. Now we're going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill our holes. We have our holes drilled. We sanded a little bit, cleaned up some of the engraving, cleaned up some of the drilling holes. Next thing we're going to do is put a finish on. Today I'm using a urethane finish. I'm just using satin this time. I really like this finish because it doesn't yellow over time like a lot of other finishes do. And these products are certainly built to last a long time, so we don't want them to turn yellow and dingy over time. Okay, we have the finishes done. We ended up putting 2 coats on each side, on the front and on the back. We are done with the wood portion. The only thing we have left is we're going to add some rope through these holes. What I'm using is a hemp rope. It's very strong, and we're going to run this through the front side of here. I already have this cut to the length that I want. And we'll run it through the front on this side too. And then the back, just gonna tie a little knot on the end. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull it so that that knot is right on that hole so you can't even see the knot at all. And there you go. Now this can hang from any doorway, your hook on a door, or from the handle. So if you guys are interested in something like this, you guys can check out the link in the description. I do have these available. I have some other ones that just say in session. I have some that say appointment in session. A couple different options there for you. If anyone is interested in any sort of custom signs, I could certainly do that as well. Feel free to reach out through my Etsy page. You can send me a message on there. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next one.